So hello everyone, this is Adventure. So for this video, I will teach you how to upload your videos using YouTube Studio. So first, go to your browser, then search for YouTube Studio. Sure. Then if you're in the dashboard of YouTube Studio, then click Create, then Upload. Then select Files. So for example, this video is you want to upload, then click open. Then create your title. So tutorial. Then type create your description. So what video that you upload to your viewers. So for example, this tutorial will help you how to upload on YouTube using YouTube Studio. Then if you're done with that, then go to thumbnail. So if you don't have any thumbnail, then YouTube Studio will provide it. Then if you have already a thumbnail, then click thumbnail. So for example, this one is you want to be a thumbnail. So here. Then after that, select your playlist. So if you don't have any playlist, you can create on YouTube Studio or on your own YouTube channel. So if you have, click this. Then after that, you can select your audience. So if your video is made for the kids, you can click this. Yes, it's made for the kids. If it's not, then click this. No, it's not made for the kids. Then after that, click more options. So if your videos are for the endorsement, then you can click this. So our videos is not on paid endorsement, so we will not click this. Then after that, you can create your tags. So our videos, our video name tutorial. So enter, then tutorial to how to upload video. So guys, as much as possible, fill the tag section, so because it will lead your viewers into your videos. So the next is the language of subtitles and closed captions. So if you want your video has a have a subtitle, then click this. Then if you don't want, don't click it. So these videos I want to have a subtitle. So click first English, United States. Then category. So if your videos is about film and animation, you can click film and animation. But if it's not, you can. But if it's about sports, you can click sports. But In our video, it is more on how to end style. So comments and ratings. So if you want to disable the comment section on your YouTube channel, so you can click disable comments. So if you don't want, allow all comments. So after this, you can click next. So the end screen. So I want our videos have a end screen. So click add. So this end screen is uses on if you have a previous videos that you want the viewers to watch it, so you can click this use, so save, so add cards. So if it, if the if your videos are paid endorsements, so you can click this. So our videos are not paid endorsements, so we will not click this. So after that, you can click the visibility. So if you want your videos make it private, so click this. Only you and people you choose can watch your video. Or if you want to be unlisted, so anyone with the video link can watch your videos. So here it is public. Everyone can watch your video. So select public. So if you want your video have a selected premiere or selected date that it will be seen, so you can click this. But our video, um I don't want our video have a premiere date, so we will not click this. So after that, we can already publish our video, so click publish. So after that, after the video already published, so you can share a link or copy this link to share with your friends. So after that, then close. Then go to your videos. So here, so then after that, you can view it on YouTube. So, so hello everyone, this is Archiventure. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you guys.